We are the seal family. Grandad, Granny, Mr. and Mrs. Seal, Miss Seal, Teen Seal, Baby Seal, and our dog who thinks he is a seal. But really he is a dog. Grandad and Granny Seal moved from AES Seal Forestry in Fermanagh, Northern Ireland, to be close to their grandchildren. We all live in Tree Walk that surrounds the AES Seal factory in Rotherham, United Kingdom, and we supervise the humans so that they take care of nature and ensure our home is beautiful. We homeschool our children, and at night they go to school, along with the hoglets we share our home with. When the weather is nice, school is in an open-air classroom, but we also have semi-enclosed classrooms, gazebos, picnic benches, and lawns where we sometimes hold classes. Marine studies are always held on the deck, overlooking the wetlands, and classes on insects and their importance to nature take place at the beehive. We think it is important for our seal children to learn about the world and decide what sort of seal they want to be when they grow up. But our teens love environmental superheroes. Teen Seal says he wants to save the world for nature, and when he grows up, he wants to be a process seal and marry a water management system. Miss Seal has a bigger ambition. She wants to grow up to be a dry gas compressor seal and marry an ERC. Baby Seal just likes to play and goes to nursery with the very tiny hoglets. And dog, he just likes to chase squirrels.